What's up, y'all? I just got back to the house from doing a 3-mile walk. It was phenomenal. A 3-mile outdoor walk, let me be specific. That was a beautiful walk, not just because I was outside, but because I literally had the opportunity to listen to 2 profound videos by Neuro Knowledge here on YouTube. And I mean, when I tell you, like, reframed my mindset, it literally reframed my mindset. I also had a great meditation session, my one-on-one with God. It was just very beautiful, and I needed that, y'all. I think energetically and spiritually, I just been very drained these last couple of weeks, and I feel a recharge coming soon. But the only way the recharge is going to come is if I do the work. So I'm committed to doing the work. That's my headspace. I'm committed to doing the work, no matter how hard it gets, no matter how much life tries to keep me down. I am committed to doing the work. I'm committed to overcoming. I'm committed to being an example of what it looks like to do the work. I am fully committed. So right now, I'm about to get to work. I am testing out different strategies to see what works best for my workflow, and I'm just going to show y'all. I'm going to give y'all a little, behind the scenes of that, a little glimpse, I should say, not too in depth, but just a little glimpse of what that looks like. So as you can see, today's Tuesday, and what I did was I broke up my I created time blocks for each social media platform for me to work on, and I want to test this out to see how it benefits, because as you can see, what I would normally do is like create work blocks, and then I'll like number like which work block this is or whatever for the day, and I would like bullet point the different things that I wanted to do during that time. That's cool and all, but I want to be more intentional with my time management and literally say, okay, this is what I'm dedicating this time frame to, and just see how that works for me. So that's how we're kicking off our day. I came in cracking up. Let me hurry up. I came in cracking up because when I walked in the house, all I heard was, "Is this the color red?" And I'm like, "Is that cartoons?" And I called my mom and I was like, "Mom, I know you didn't leave cartoons on for Rello to watch." She was like, "Yes, I did." She said Rello needs to learn his colors. Yo, that had me cracking up. That was a beautiful laugh, a beautiful like sense of humor to get the day going. But all right, I'll check in with y'all later. Let me lock in.